Today, we're diving into the best e-bikes for seniors, covering everything from budget-friendly options to the most comfortable and accessible rides. Whether you're a seasoned rider or getting back in the saddle after years, this guide is tailored for you. I'm Ryan from Ebike Escape, and I look forward to guiding you through our top picks. And be sure to subscribe because if you like this video, you'll like our other e-bike content. We have in-depth reviews on all of these models to dig deeper, and they're linked in the description box below. Speaking of that description box, our channel is viewer supported, so if you plan to purchase an e-bike, consider using those links before doing so. One key feature that all of these e-bikes share is a step-through frame, ensuring easy mounting and dismounting. Being able to hop on and off, especially easily, is important because you're going to ride the electric bike more that you feel the most comfortable getting on. But an often overlooked feature also relates to motor power. Some want the maximum power, but too much power can be a negative for some riders. Same goes for how the pedal assists engage, and finally, I want to call out weight. E-bikes are generally heavy, so pay special attention to weight when buying your first e-bike. First up, the best budget e-bike for seniors, and this one had to be included because it's undoubtedly also the most popular e-bike for seniors, especially for those in the RV crowd. The Lectric XP 3.0, priced at just $9.99. This e-bike combines a powerful 500 watt nominal, 1000 watt peak motor with a 20 amp controller, offering impressive hill climbing abilities. It's comfortable too, with a front suspension fork, beefy 3-inch wide tires, and an upright riding position. With hydraulic disc brakes, almost unheard of at this price, the Lectric XP 3.0 is a fantastic choice, especially for RVers, thanks to its folding design. That also makes assembly super simple. Just ask my dad, who assembled one himself. We of course are going to recommend the step through here. The standard battery is 10.4 amp hours, though for a couple $100 more you can get the 14 amp hour battery with their long range model. Lectric is well known for their customer service and is one of, if not the biggest e-bike brand in the United States. Next, I can't mention the XP 3.0 without also recommending you check out Ride1Up's Portola, also folding, which clearly set out to offer budget-minded riders an alternative to the XP 3.0. Okay, it's $4 cheaper at $9.95, and you can spend just $100 more and get the 13.4 amp hour battery. That battery is easy to remove, and overall, there are just some nicer bike components on the Portola. I'll refer you to our blog post in the description if you're considering both of these, which details every single difference. But high level, the Portola takes a bit more work to assemble, doesn't have the insane amount of accessories that the XP 3.0 has, and the company, while still large and growing, hasn't reached the same scale as Lectric. Next, for those new to e-bikes, or perhaps for those who are unsure if they can handle an e-bike, the Radcity 5 Plus at $16.99 is a prime pick. It's designed with city riding in mind, has a more traditional frame, offering a smooth pedal assist and user-friendly features. I've always appreciated that Rad Power Bikes keeps their e-bikes accessible. It's an e-bike that I can feel comfortable letting almost anyone who's comfortable riding a non-electric bike test out. The 750 watt peak motor is by design. Their e-bikes are meant to allow almost anyone to ride after all, and while this is the high step, I recommend getting the step through for increased accessibility. The dual display with large buttons allows you to easily change the pedal assist level, but also allows you to clearly see what pedal assist level you're in on the left while seeing your current speed front and center. The adjustable stem and swept-back handlebars are nice additions for a relaxed riding position. Stopping power is provided by hydraulic disc brakes, and a front suspension helps soak up any bumps. The battery is semi-integrated, about average size at 14 amp hours, but all of these things combined is why it's a functional choice for urban seniors. And if you're considering the Radcity 5 Plus, the new Radster Road is similar but different. A bit different geometry, but here are the main benefits. Slightly larger 15 amp hour resin-filled battery, torque sensor, color LCD display, and switchable between all three classes. And one very important consideration are the two size offerings. Moving to three wheels, the Lectric XP Trike, priced at $14.99, is an excellent choice for ultimate accessibility. It boasts a low standover height, safety-focused design, and impressive range. I view this as a mobility device, so if you can ride a two-wheeled e-bike comfortably, That would be my recommendation, but for a lot of people, 3 wheels makes all the difference. The low top speed of 14 miles per hour is by design to help keep riders in control. What differentiates this e-trike the most is the motor, which is located in the rear with a differential, which unquestionably provides more grip than front-wheel drive trikes. It has hydraulic disc brakes for sure stopping and ships folded for easier assembly. I highly recommend picking up the cargo package and the support seat with backrest if they don't happen to be already included in your purchase. Lectric loves including accessories in the purchase price. Up next, for sheer comfort, the City Robin X Plus at $19.99 stands out. Its full suspension system, adjustable stem, swept-back handlebars, and sleek design make it an attractive and comfortable ride for city cruising or even some gravel paths. Here you're paying a bit more for better quality. That includes a SR Suntour front suspension fork with an SR Suntour suspension seat post, which, trust me, is a game changer. And sure, you can add that seat post to another e-bike you buy for around $100, but it's nice that everything is just included on the City Robin X Plus. Another differentiator is the torque sensor, providing a more natural riding experience. It is offered in one frame style, a step-through, not surprisingly. The cables disappear into the frame, metal fenders are included, and you get one of the brightest integrated front headlights I've seen. If you're a more confident rider, it can also reach speeds up to 28 miles per hour thanks to its 500 watt sustained 900 watt peak motor. The bike also comes with a 14 amp hour battery, and for those who are into a pretty looking e-bike, you also get the choice of 4 different colors. If these specs are appealing, but you want something a little more off-road capable, the new Euphree Stellar Falcon is just that. It's offered in a mid-step in addition to the step-through. Main benefits are the Schwalbe Johnny Watt tires, 27.5 by 2.8 inches wide, and a nice SR Suntour air suspension fork with 110 millimeters of travel. It's the most off-road capable e-bike making our list. Euphree continues to build out their dealer network, so there's a chance one might be near you. Our feature-filled e-bike is Velotric's Discover 2 because it has a laundry list of them. More on laundry in a second. But this bike is well priced too at $16.99. It's a significant change from the Discover 1, which was Velotric's first e-bike. The standover height is just 15 inches and yes, sports an adjustable stem and swept-back handlebars. The bike is UL listed. The battery is IPX7 waterproof and can literally go through a load of laundry and still operate. Besides that, you've got 15 levels of pedal assist, allowing you to really dial in how much motor power you want, which is enhanced with the torque sensor. There's a 1100 watt peak motor powering you up to 28 miles per hour, but don't worry, you can easily turn down the top speed in the large color LCD display, which also connects to your phone. It even has Apple Find My for you iPhone users out there, and those are just a few of the many features on this electric bike. Velotric really stepped their game up, and they have a growing dealer network as well. This next company was basically started to serve the senior market, but I want to talk about one model if for the only reason of its almost impossibly low step-through, the Pedego Boomerang. Let me just pause there. It's literally called the Boomerang, so it's obvious who it's for. It's not cheap at $29.95, but if the step-through is what allows you to hop on this e-bike, then you don't really have another choice. Another overlooked benefit, their brick and mortar stores located across the country. It also has an adjustable stem and swept-back bars, and that paired with a pedal-forward design makes it great for cruising. It's not perfect in every way, but it is deserving to be on this list. Now that I've shared some of the best e-bikes for seniors, I'm curious to hear from you in the comments section. If you're a senior who rides an e-bike, or if you're considering getting one, jump into the comment section and tell us about your favorite model. Why do you love it, and what do you think of our list? We'll continue to refine our list from our audience, and your insights are invaluable, and your experiences help other viewers make a great choice. Remember to check out our links in the description, learn more in our full reviews, and hit that like button if you're a senior and found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.